Hey guys, we know you've been waiting for a set of amazing gadgets for all intents and purposes, so here it is. Get ready for the tools that'll glow for 25 years without charging, and prepare your palms, you'll be able to touch the music. Let's go. This charging cable looks stunning and provides you with some really neat features. It uses LED lights to show you the charging status. The flow slows down as your battery gets full and then automatically shuts off. On top of that, this is a 2-in-1 cable that includes both a micro USB and Lightning, so you can charge your Android and Apple devices with a single cord. Speaking of that, this charger cable is certified by Apple. That guarantees you stable current and protection from overheating. The device is made of premium copper and covered by nylon, so durability is no concern. Finally, it supports fast charging and delivers great data transmission speed. That's definitely better than the cables we usually get with phones. Here's the most extraordinary way to store your candies or something even more precious. This bank is equipped with a puzzle lock. You can set any 5-letter word to be the code word. Moreover, resetting the combination is really simple, so you can change it whenever you want. This thing is an amazing way to deliver gifts. Just set the word, leave some tricky clues, and watch your friends struggle trying to get the prize. No pain, no gain. The bank's large enough to fit small toys, chocolate, or even a smartphone. And the difficulty is completely up to you. Just don't forget the code word. This type of puzzle is also known to be really entertaining and annoying at the same time. With 24 pieces in a single package, you can spend hours trying to solve them all. This activity isn't just amusing, but it's also quite useful. It helps you improve your creativity and problem-solving skills. The set offers great diversity with various puzzle designs. Each of them is unique and requires a special approach. 2 wire pieces are twisted together, so you need to maneuver the pieces until you'll be able to separate them. All puzzles are made of durable metal, so there's no chance for you to break or bend them. Thanks to the pocketable size, you can use them to entertain yourself in transport or at work. Take a break from video games. The next-gen consoles are pretty cool, but they'll never beat the all-time classics. Where are the napkins? You'll need more of that. Here are some great modern consoles that can take you back to the 80s. This one looks extremely authentic and comes with 150 pre-installed retro games. The console is extremely compact, allowing you to play basically anywhere. It's also equipped with a 1.8-inch LCD screen, which is ridiculous for the current standards, and built-in speakers. And this version stands out with an even more classic design. It lacks the speakers, but who really cares? In the 80s, that wasn't even an option. It also includes classic games like Tic-Tac-Toe and Connect 4, plus shooting the enemy and collecting coins. You'll be sure to find some of your old favorites. Finally, here's a console that can replace your PlayStation or Xbox. It brings 200 retro games right to your TV and also doubles as a controller with 2 buttons and a small joystick. Plug the retro TV games controller into your television and get your fingers at the ready for some nostalgic gaming. So, which one would you choose? Here's the coolest way to protect your stuff as a real undercover agent. This gadget creates invisible barriers using laser beams. It consists of 3 pieces which can work up to 4 feet apart. Also, each of them is 360-degree rotatable, so you have no limits in creating your custom traps. In case of intrusion, you'll be alerted by a sound alarm or flashing light. No one will pass your stuff unseen. Deck is a powerful, adaptable, and custom console that puts the best of your photo, video, design, and music editing tools and software at your fingertips. The tool features a wide variety of programmable controls, including multiple buttons, wheels, and a large touchscreen. Also, each key is individually backlit. You can either use one of the preset workspaces or easily create your own ones. As many as you need, all from one sleek user interface. And go from pen to brush, photo to video, or jump between software, all with a quick tap or turn of the finger. The possibilities are endless thanks to the native integration with major software titles such as Photoshop, Lightroom, Final Cut, and Ableton. Plus, the console works with both Windows and Mac OS. Setting up your workspaces is super easy with the special app. It doesn't require any programming skills, made to work with your mouse and keyboard. This device takes your workstation to a completely new level. You can fully concentrate on the creative process. Green Lantern fans, this one is especially for you. This is a super realistic replica of the iconic item from the movie, and it's officially licensed by Warner Brothers. What's more, it really glows with green light when you turn it on, so this thing can be quite functional. You can use it as a cool superhero night lamp. This lantern is pretty compact and weighs just 2.65 pounds. It might encourage you to become more adventurous. Now it's time to literally rock it. This is probably the wildest speaker design you've ever seen. These speakers are designed for seamless outdoor use. They'll perfectly blend into the landscape since they look just like real rocks. Each speaker provides impressive power with up to 125 watts. They're also equipped with subwoofers for really deep bass. The casing's made of silicone, so the speakers are fairly lightweight. Thanks to multiple ceilings, the speakers are ready for any weather conditions: rain, snow, or ice. They're also available in 3 different sizes and 3 colors to match any environment: granite, lava, and sandstone. And here's a similar version compatible with any Bluetooth-enabled device. You can play your favorite tunes up to 50 feet away. Plus, these rocks are solar-powered and ready to work up to 10 hours on a full charge. Your speakers now have their own camouflage. Here's one more puzzle. Not that smart, but no less amusing. It's a shape-shifting box that consists of 36 rare earth magnets and transforms into over 70 shapes. The possibilities are endless. A special app with a constantly growing library of instructional demo videos will be your helping hand. The toy's not that big, about 2.3 inches, but you can get several cubes and build larger structures. With its strong internal magnet system, it's possible to create even larger shapes, sculptures, and structures. Just pick the color and the shape you want to build first. This multi-tool kit consists of a set of nozzles and a screwdriver. As for the latter, it's available in 2 sizes, 3 inches and 4 inches. Which is more important, you can add tritium tubes to create that industrial look and watch your tool glowing beautifully in the dark. Here's one more functional tool. It's a gyroscope. You'll have to assemble it yourself. It's made of brass and titanium alloy and consists of 35 parts. But the main ones are, of course, tritium tubes. They are able to glow 25 years without charging, which means it'll please your eyes with that cool look for a long time. And here are titanium beads that may serve as a keychain or a necklace. Not that functional, but who cares? They're glowing. That's enough, right? Remember those cool music Tesla coils? Here's one more mini version for your desk. Just twist an electric needle, plug it in, and experience the magic of palm lightning. It's really easy to use. The left knob controls the size of the arc and the twist of the pointer. The right knob controls the constant frequency and speeds up the spray arc frequency clockwise. Switch to music mode and use either audio cable or Bluetooth to link to the phone's sound for the maximum playback. The device comes with a low-voltage power supply to ensure safety. It won't cause much pain even if the arc is touched by hand. What does that mean? You'll be able to touch the music.